Today I'm going to show you how to install Masterworks only. So Masterworks is an add-in within Microsoft Word. When we release our vTrue updates, our master spec updates, we're also going to release a new version of Masterworks. Now, if you are on the most current version, it should uninstall the previous, but that's kind of a new thing. So typically, you're going to need to go to your control panel and go to Programs and Features, uninstall a program. Masterworks will show up as a program here, and you can double click to uninstall it. Most of the time you're going to need to uninstall Masterworks first before you reinstall the new version. Now we're going to go to vtrue.com and log in under Master Spec. You don't want to use the same installer because that's already on your computer. It'll just install the same version. So I'm going to log into the website. Then I'm going to click Master Spec Documents and Masterworks. So just like with the updates, I'm going to copy my site key. But this time under Master Spec Masterworks, I'm going to change it to Masterworks only. So then I'll click Download, and this is going to download my Masterworks only installer. So I already have that downloaded. So I'm just going to click here, Masterworks Win x64, and it's going to open up. So unlike the Master Spec Word documents, Masterworks has to install to and stay on the C drive in order to function properly. So don't put it anywhere else. It has to install to its default location. So we'll just give 1 minute for this to start up. So running through Masterworks, you're really not going to make any changes for the most part. So this one's pretty easy to go through. All right, so we're going to click Next. I accept the terms of the license agreement and Next. I have my site key copied, so you can go ahead and copy the site key. Okay, and then you're going to click in this first box. It won't allow you to right-click paste, so hold the Control key, like it says here, and then press the letter V as in Victor once. And that'll paste in the site key all at once. Now I'm going to click Next, keep it on its default. Next again, then Install. So you really won't be making any changes when you're installing the Masterworks add-in. Just putting in the site key and clicking through. So this is going to install the add-in within Word. It is not its own standalone program, so you're going to find this within Microsoft Word. If you've never had Masterworks installed before, you'll also want to change some macro settings in Word, and I can show you those once it finishes up here. All right, now it's finished, so I'll click Finish and click No for restart. You can restart, and I would recommend you restart your computer at some point But for now, I'm just going to say no, and we are going to pull up Word. So once you have installed Masterworks, the first time Word opens up, it may be a little sluggish just because it's loading the add-in for the first time. Okay, here we go. And here is Masterworks. Just like any of these other tabs, it shows up in Word whether you have a blank document open or not. And that's how you find the version number, and it is responding as well. So that concludes how to install Masterworks only. If you want a video on how to do the macro settings, we'll have one up here for you as well.